Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about National Unity Day. Tell line on National Unity Day. Starting with first line. National Unity Day is celebrated every year. Every year. It is celebrated on 31st October. It is celebrated on 31st October. It is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel. It is started in 2014. It is started in 2014. This day was started by government of India. The first National Unity Day witnessed a grand celebration. The day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity. The message of unity. Vallabhbhai Patel, he is known as Iron Man. It is the best way to remember the efforts and achievement. सरदार पटेल always vision for श्रेष्ठ भारत. Thank you.